Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope my all lovely viewers will be fine and good. Allah bless you. I mean, always be happy in your life and always keep smile. So, dear friends, first of all, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm very thankful to you for subscribing my channel, watching my previous videos. Also, thanks to connecting with me and supporting me. Today, I have put together a collection of 20 plus beautiful and mind blowing designs of kitchen ceiling. These articles are so fabulous, so stylish, and most elegant, and I hope you will love and like these beautiful ideas. Dear friends, every room in your house deserves only the finest in both quality and style appeal, and the kitchen is certainly no exception as the heart of the home. It can even be said it deserves even better. There are a number of kitchen ceiling designs and materials to choose from, beyond the more luxurious comfort and tray, with state of the art components to serve your kitchen needs. Tiles are a clean and easy to clean option for the particularly busy kitchen, while Victorian tin work seen in a many home and public space is eye-catching as it is unique. Certain factors such as clean lines and upkeep may also factor into your ultimate choice. Dear friends, your kitchen is the soul of your home state, the place where friends and family gather, feast, and admire their host's domestic plans. From the floor to the sky, your kitchen should become you each morning in the manner to which you have no doubt grown accustomed. So please subscribe my channel. After subscribing my channel, you will receive latest and new updates related to decoration. Be connected with me and don't forget press the bell icon. After press the bell icon, you will receive latest updates. I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Allah bless you.